Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, we have the unboxing of the Think Pink subscription box, and we have a bear. Who better behave? Are you gonna behave? So let's get this baby open. All right, I just know he's gonna be causing trouble, but let's try to give this a go within one take. All right, so as usual, Andrea's got a brand new box design, which I am really loving. And then we've got the beautiful pink tissue paper. And actually, this was an extra purchase I made during one of Andrea's lives on Sunday nights where she demos all of her fabric, and I just could not resist. Sorry for the rustling. What? So I got, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So I purchased this gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. I can't remember what this is. I think it's some kind of viscose blend, but it's got, can you see the lurex in it? Love this, and this is definitely in my color palette. I love this. And then I couldn't resist this one. This is maybe a viscose poplin. It feels more substantial than your regular viscoses. So, but look at these colors. Love this. Love this. So I've got, I think 2.5 meters of, no, 1.5 meter of both of these. And I was thinking I would make myself a cute little blouse. All right, so let's get to the good stuff. Sorry, more wrestling. Oh my gosh. So this is box number 9. I'm not going to show you the front of the card because it has the fabric on it. Anything is possible with sunshine and a little pink. Ah, couldn't agree more. So I'm going to put that up there with the rest of my cards. Ooh, some chocolate. Yep, that'll go nicely with my after dinner coffee. Some assorted needles. So 12 needles. And this is hand sewing needles, including a big, looks like a darning needle. Very cool. We've got some, oh, this is so pretty. Some, I don't know what you call this. Is this like tricot elastic? So it stretches and it's got a cute little trim. Look how pretty this is. Love this. Oh, this, which is sewing sprinkles. Look how cute this is. And inside is sprinkle a little joy into your everyday. This is so cute. What is in here? Oh, a keychain, but look at what it says. Think Pink. Oh my goodness, with the little tassel and buttons on the back. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Oh my goodness, yeah, I'm gonna put my house keys on this. This is amazing. Amazing. Andrea, gosh, you're so good. All right. As always, some thread. And then the fabric this month is a jersey. So what does the paper tell us? So this is Oh yeah, my thread is rolling away from me. 2 meters of organic cotton jersey from Poppy and Gutermann thread. Look how fun this is. I don't know if any of these are in my color palette, and I don't know that I care. This is amazing. 2 meters. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Love this so much. This is so cool. Well, this teal is definitely one of my colors. I don't know about the browns and the orangish ambers and stuff, but again, I don't know that I care. Yeah, I might make myself some new pajamas with this. I desperately need new pajamas. So, and with 2 meters, I'm pretty sure I can make a t-shirt and some shorts. I don't wear long pajamas ever. And yeah, I run very hot at night. So t-shirt and shorts, I think. And this is like the perfect weight for pajamas. This is so nice. Yes, amazing job, Andrea and company again this month. Love this. And now Bear is playing with my thread, so I'm going to go stop him. Thanks again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.